clay. Put a green clay, it made a watermelon. There is a magical blender toy. It can make anything. Put a purple clay. Put a brown clay. Put a green clay. It makes a yummy grain.
Hard work and enjoy more videos like this. It's completely free. Please subscribe, like and